Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to convert iPhone photo to JPG. First, unlock your phone and open the Photos app. Once Photos is open, select the image that you want to convert to JPG. After selecting the photo, tap on Share at the bottom left side of the screen. Different options will appear, so scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Now, choose a name for your image. Once you've decided on the file name, tap on Save at the top right side. Your image will now be saved in Files. Now open the Files app and find the image you just saved. Tap on the image to open it, then tap on the eye icon at the bottom right side to view its information. Here you'll see different details about the picture, including the file name and its type. If the image is showing as a PNG file, you can convert it to JPG using a browser. Now open any browser. In this example, we're using Google Browser. Tap on the search bar and search for PNG to JPG converter. Different websites will appear in the search results. Open any of the available websites and go to Select Files. Choose the same image that you saved in the Files app, and use the website to convert it from PNG to JPG. And that's how you can convert an iPhone photo to JPG. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more iPhone tutorials.